thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm going to show you how I make my lemon cubes today. You want to start with a bag of organic lemons, get them washed up really good and cut the ends off and any blemishes that you see. You're going to put your lemons in a bowl, place them in the freezer overnight. Once they're really hard, you're going to use a cheese grater to shred the whole entire lemon, the peel, the pulp, and the seeds. The seeds actually, they contain a small amount of the main ingredient found in aspirin. So if you decide to leave the seeds in your mix, that is okay. It'll help with aches and pains. So whether or not you decide to leave them in, it's up to you. I always leave my seeds in. So once you're done shredding, stir the bowl of peel, pulp, and seeds, and now add water. I use 1.5 cups for 5 lemons. Put this mixture into ice cube trays and voila! Soon you too will have lemon cubes. And these things are good for so many things. They help strengthen your immune system, they cleanse your stomach, they help improve your hair and skin and prevent diabetes, high blood pressure, indigestion. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. I love lemon cubes. I love these because they're so easy to use. The best way that I've found to use these is in my water. I hope you liked this little video tutorial. Please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye.
Friday's finally here. I say